Alright, so good day again. So this time we're going to be um, solving for a little bit more challenging. Okay, so we have two questions. Okay, we'll be solving. This is quite challenging. So hope we can do some practice with this one. So the first one is a fair dice is rolled 7 times. So it's just a fair dice. So six-sided dice and then rolled 7 times. What is the probability that exactly three of the roll is a four? At most, three of the rolls results in five. At least four of the rolls results in three or four. Okay, so medyo complicated to. So hopefully you can listen through, no? So meron ako mga dinagdag na solutions pa dito later on for this one para mas ma-practice niyo siya kasi may mga lumalabas sa mga ganitong klaseng questions sa mga examinations lalo kapag major tayo sa mathematics or major tayo sa engineering kasi we are, of course, uh, expected to be good at this. Alright, so the next question is actually this one. A die is loaded, dice ulit siya, loaded in such a way that an even number is thrice as likely to occur as an odd number. So, parang yung kanina, ay last time is twice, this one is thrice naman. And this side of the rice is rolled twice, no? So, binato siya twice. Kanina isa lang, this one is dalawang beses siya. So, parang may dalawang dice na hinagis na. So, what is the probability that the result is, number one, the same number. Okay, doon sa dalawang right roll na yon. And the other one is the sum of the rolls is a prime number. Okay, so medyo paiba to, di ba? Hopefully, maano natin to, masolve natin to in such a way that you'll be able to understand. So, doon naman tayo sa una. Okay. Fair dice is rolled 7 times. Okay, what is the probability? Exactly 3 of the roll is 5. So, nahin muna natin, no? So, doon sa solve, ano natin, is that we have 7 dice. Okay? 7 dice. Okay, in other words, or hinagi siya 7 times. Pwedeng ganun, di ba? So, meron tayo 7 na rolls. Okay? So, we have roll 1, roll 1, roll 2, roll 3, roll 4, 5, 6, and 7. So, meron tayong annual trials. Now, all of these, sabi niya, exactly 3 of the roll is a 4. Okay? So, 7 out of 3 out of 7 is a 4. So, same lang ginawa natin sa coin kanina. Okay? So, the probability or the combination muna tayo is that 7 out of 4 yung total number na pwede natin i-place along all of it. Okay? Now, using binomial theorem ulit, which is, ano yung ginamit natin? P of x equals to k equals to n taken k times the probability of success times the probability of failure n minus k. Okay? So, ang success natin is, of course, lumabas yung 4. Okay, yung probability of success natin. And the probability of failure is 1 minus the probability of failure. Yan yung probability of failure natin. Okay, so, now we have this, yung unang part. So, we have n equals to 7, k equals to 4. Okay, now what is the probability of the success? The probability of success is 1 over 6 pa din. Okay, 1 over 6 pa din kasi it's still, you know, once pa rin lang naman siya ginagawa. So, fair dice naman siya. Okay? Now, the probability of failure is what? Probability of failure is equals to 1 minus p is 5 over 6. So, ito yung formula natin. So, mukha lang siyang, ano, di ba? Pero madali lang naman siya. Okay, so letter A, exactly 3 of the roll is a 4. So we have p of x equals to 4, 7c4 times 1, 6. Raised to k, which is what? 4? 4 times tayo. Mali. 3 pala, sorry. Exactly 3 is a 4. Okay, sorry, mali. Apologies. So, 3 to 3. Tatlong beses lang siyang lalabas dito. 3. So, 5 over 6 raised to, ano yan? 7, no? 7 minus 3 equals to 4. Ito yung 4. Okay. So, we have, so ito ay 35. Okay, so we have 35 times 1 over 26. Ano yun lang natin. Sige, may solution naman na ako dito sa kabilang side. So, 625 over 1296. Yeah. Equals to 0.029. So, meron tayong, ito yung probability na lalabas is exactly 3 na 4. Alright? Okay, sige, copyhin. Para meron tayo, ano? So, madali lang, di ba? So, yan yung ano natin. Okay, next natin is at least 3. Okay, so, copyhin lang natin yung, yung slide muna. Para, hindi mawawala yung tanong. So, okay na tayo sa letter A. Hindi tayo sa letter B. Ano natin yung slide. Ito yung text. Para malinis. Yan. Okay, next tayo. Okay. So, letter B na tayo, no? So, at most, sabihin na madami. 3 of the rows is 5. At most, ito na yung maximum number of roll is 5. Okay, so 5 yung ano natin. So, this can be calculated, no, by at least 5 of the, at most 3 of the rows, no, results in 5. So, at least 3. So, ano ba yung mga at least, at most 3. So, 0, 1, 2, 3. Diba? So, at most, natrivia tayo, no? At most 3 of the rows is 5. So, ano yung mga yun? So, yung roll niya is 0, 1, 2, and 3. And 4 pala. Sorry. Tatlo mula doon sa 3 and 4. So, if we have 1, 3, 7, at least 3. At most 3. So, ito, tsaka yung 0 factorial. So, we have we have p of x equals to 0, p of x equals to 1, x equals to 2, 3, tsaka 4. So, hindi natin siyang is 5, 6, 7. Diba? So, twice pa rin natin siya pwedeng gawin. Is pwede natin siyang gawin ganun. So, Tingnan natin si at p at x equals to 0. So, still, ganun pa rin naman yung paano natin, no? So, 7, the probability of success equals to nk probability of success raised to k probability of failure n minus k. For x equals to 0, we have, so pwede natin gawin yan. So, n equals to 7. Okay. So, if k is equals to 0, so 5 eh. Okay. So, gawin natin siyang table na gano'n. Okay. So, if p of x equals to 0, so gawin natin siya ng table na lang. Since may formula naman tayo, so 7, combination ng kung ano man yung x ipasok natin. Probability is 1 over 6 kasi pair dice naman siya. Okay, and then raised to the number of success, which is yung x pa rin natin. Ay, x pa rin natin yan. Times probability of failure is 1 minus the probability of success, raised to 7 minus k or x. So, calculate natin. So, pwede nyo gawin yan, no? Technique na yan sa calculator ninyo. So, we have, so, calculate. At 0, we have, okay, i-ano ko na lang ha, kakalculate ko na lang ng ganito ha. So, equals to 0.2791. So, p of x equals to 1. So, calculate natin ulit. One 0.3907 x equals to 2. It's 2344. And then x equals to 3. Equals to 4. Okay, so we just add them up all together. Okay, para makuha natin yung at most 3. Okay, so at most 3. So just add them up all together. So you have total of, so p of x less than 3, total of 0.998. Okay. So mayroon tayong mataas sa probability na success. Tingnan natin. So, bagay 7 times yun. Okay. So, let's go for the probability of at least, no, 4 rolls result in 3 or 4. Okay. Okay. So, copy muna natin to. So, copy nyo muna yun. And let's go for letter C. Letter C. A fair dice. Okay, at least 4 naman siya. At least 4. So, the probability that at least 4 rolls results in what? In 4. Okay, so, natin siya. So, the probability of getting a 3 or a 4 is actually hindi mo siya pag-combine. Hindi mo siya pag-combine kasi 3 or 4 naman, hindi mo pwede. 3 or 4. Hindi mo naman siya pag-combine na siya. So, the probability, the probability of getting a 3 or a 4 is equals to what? 1 over 6. 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6 equals to 1/3. Correct? Yan naman yung magiging probability na natin. So, to calculate, muna, na at least 4 of the rolls. Okay? So, ang ano nito is P of X is P of success is at least is at least less than or greater than equal to 4. The rolls is 3 or 4. So, pinagsama na natin yung probability nila. We can say that um, hindi natin siya sabihin na equal siya sa probability ng 1 minus probability of x less than or equal to 3. So, or yung numbers ng probabilities ng 0, 1, 2, and 3 ang occurrences. Okay. So, mas madali yun. So, pwede natin 4. Pwede naman gusto nyo kung 4 and then 5 and then 6. Parehas lang naman siya. So, or 7. No, at least dito makakatibid tayo ng ilang steps lang yun. So, parehas lang naman. Wala nang problema yun. So, ganun din. Gagawin ko na lang is brute force na lang. Dito naman. Kasi kanina ginawa natin brute force eh. Doon sa una. So, ganito naman gawin natin isa naman. So, the probability naman, okay, so the probability of x success is equals to, ganun ulit, n over k, tama? Probability of success natin is 1/3. Okay, that's okay. And then, 2/3 for the probability of failure, correct? So, gagawin natin is the probability of x equals to 0, yun na, equals to, ganun ulit, you have 7, combination ng 0, okay, 1/3, 0, 2/3, 7. And then, add na lang natin siya. Okay. Kayo na bahala mag-add na lang. So, ganito yung magiging solution niya para mas maikli yung video natin na si makakatawa siya. 2/3, 7, 6. Laki iba na board na eh. So, pwede nyo i-fast forward. 2, 1/3. Isa lang natin. 2/3, 4. And e of x equals to 3. 7 combination of 3. 1/3 raised to 3. 2/3 raised to 3. Ayan. Tapos add natin siya together dito sa pinakababa. Okay? So, kayo na bahala ng fill up nito. Itong mga to. Kung ano itong mga to. Okay. Basta ang total niyan is or P is equals to 1/3. Okay. So, sa total nito ng P of x greater than or equal to 4 is equals to 0.179. So, yung total nito, kayo na rin bahala maghanap. No? I-check nyo na lang siya kung paano siya. Pero, okay, yan. So, good na tayo dito. Okay, so I'll leave this to you ha. So, dapat 0.179 yung final answer. Okay. So, at least sa practice naman kayo. Diba? Alright, alright. So, let's go to the next number. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Okay. A die is loaded in such a way that an even number is thrice as likely to occur as an odd number. So, this is the same yung kanina natin ginawa. It's just that iba lang yung number, naging thrice na siya. No? The dice is rolled twice naman. No? So, dalawang beses siyang hinagis. So, what is the probability the result is the same number and that the result or the sum of the rolls is a prime number. So, medyo creative na tayo dito itong natin. So, let's go for the first one. Okay? So, solve muna natin yung probability distribution muna. Again, yung ginawa natin dati, no? So, we have um, an odd number. So, you have odd numbers, no? So, 1, 3, 5, and then even numbers, we have 2, 4, and 6. So, we have P here, and this one is 3P na. Tama? Yan. Then, the sum total of all of these numbers is 1. So, we have P plus P plus P, from 3P plus 2, 1 in total. Okay? Now, next thing that we're gonna do is gonna add them up. We have what? We have 12. So, 12P 1. So, P is equals to 1 over 12. So, meron ka ng probability na 12. Okay. Now, for the result of, okay, yan. So, the probability ngayon, titignan natin ngayon sa letter A, is the same number. Same number means that the rolls are 1, 1, oh, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So, each one, ano siya? We have what? 112. 112 and 1/4. So, we have P is equals to 112. P is equals to 1/4 for even. Even. Tapos ito yung odd. Okay. So, this one is 1, 1 is what? 1 over 12 is 1 over 12. Tama? This one is 1/4 times 1/4. Correct? Yan. Ito rin. Same. So, in-adapt natin sila. No? Together, they are the same number. So, ating end up all together. So, gamit na kayo ng calculator. 5 over 24 ang sagot. Okay? Sundan. Okay, very good. So, sa letter P naman, letter B, ito medyo ano to, um, medyo challenging to. So, gawa tayo ng bagong page. So, letter B. And we have a dice. Again, the sum of the rows is a prime number. So, yung sum ng mga resulta is a prime number. So, ibig sabihin, pag in-add up mo sila, prime number yung lalabas. Correct? So, for example, we have, ano ba mga prime number na pagka in-add mo sila together within the dice, within the dice itself. So, we have what? P resulting to 3. Tama? P resulting to 7 or 5. And then, P of 7. Tsaka, di ba lang? P of 7. Tsaka P of 11. Correct? So, you have 3, which is 2, 1, at tsaka 1, 2. Meron naman tayo P5, which is P3, 2. Tsaka 2, 3, yung baliktad. Tapos, 1, 4, at tsaka 4, 1. Yan, galing. Tapos, we have what? 7 is what? P of 4, 3, 5, 2, 6, 1, and yung baliktad niya. So, pwede natin siya i-multiply na lang sa 2 if you would like to do that. Or add natin siya. Ano natin siya? Just multiply it by 2. Diba? Same naman siya. So, and then, we have P of 5 and 6. 5 and 6 lang to. Tsaka 6 and 5. So, wala naman na. No? So, I think everything is here. So, for P of 3, sum of 3 is equals to P 2, 1 times ba? Tama, times. Is probability of 1 or 2 is 1/4 times 1, 12. Tapos, plus P of 1, 2. Tama? Yun yung mangyayari. So, you have 1/12 times 1/4. Okay? So, in other words, pwede natin siyang i-ano lang. Balik rin naman siya. So, pwede natin siyang gawing 2 times 1/4 times 1/12. Yan, pwede natin siyang gawin. Para mas madali. Okay, so sa P5, we have 3, 2. So, we have 1/12, 1/4. Ito, 1, 2, 3, 4. Parang lang yun. Parang may pattern siya. Para siya. So, ilan siya? 1, 2, 3, 4. Times 4. Ito times 2. Okay. P7, we have 4, 3, 6, 1. So, we have 112 times 1/4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 6 naman siya. Tama. And P11 is equals to 112 times 1/4 is yan siya, dalawa lang. So, sir, ba't lang dalawa lang? Ibig sabihin nito, ang nangyari kasi dito is ang nangyari kasi dito, so, anahin na natin, napansahin na natin para mas nagets ninyo. So, sa P3, no, ang ginawa natin is, we have P of 1 and 2, tama? Correct? Plus P of 2 and 1, correct? Now, to do that, yung probability 1 is even, add siya, di ba? So, 1 over 12 siya, correct? Times 1 over 2 is equals to 1/4. Plus, ganun din. So, kabila naman is 1 over 4 naman si 2 times 1 over 12 naman si 1. Kasi i-add siya eh. So, kung titignan nyo, parehas siya, di ba? It's like, this one is A, and this one is also A. Parehas siya eh. No? So, we can just add them together na 2 times 1/4 times 112. Okay? So, for P4, P5 naman, or for P total of 5, we have P of 3, 2, no? Plus P of 1, 4, plus P of 3, 2, 3, yung baliktad naman niya, plus P of 4, 1, correct? Pero ito, kung titignan natin, ano rin siya eh, 1/4, 12 din siya eh, di ba? 1/4, 1/12 din siya eh. So, 1/4, 1/12, yan, 1/4. Ito rin, 1/4, 1/12 din to. Di ba? Pare-pareha sila. So, 1/4, 1/12, 1/12, 1/4. No? So, hindi siya kakaiba, no? Parang ganun, no? So, makikita natin, ha? 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see that when you add them all up together, pwede siyang 4 times 1/12 times 1/4. Kasi 4 siya, 1, 2, 3, 4. When you add them all together, same things. No? We actually just multiply them. So, kaya ganun na nangyari kay P of 7. Kasi we have 4, 3, 5, 2, and 6, 1, and then yung baliktad. Okay, kaya 3, kaya 3 yan, 3, tapos yung baliktad is another 3, so that is 6. So, with P of 11, ganun din. So, we have 5 and 6, 6 and 5. Kaya 12, 1/12 plus 1/4 plus 1/12 plus 1/14 siya. So, we have, okay, 2. Sundan. Okay, and then, we're just going to be adding them all up, now together. Just add them all up together. Actually, ang adding lang yun, ganito eh. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 12, 18. 18 times 1 over 12 times 1/4. So, equals siya sa, ano ba, 19. 18 over 24, parang ganun. So, yun siya. So, 18 over 12 goes to 18 over 24 is 6, 12, 18. Alright? Okay. So, let's do this, no? Let's check. and then okay, practice, then let's check it again. Okay, so if may questions, just message me. So we stop recording here, then we're gonna be answering more later on. All right, so hope you can practice.